Hello friends, this woolen flower we have already created using this cardboard paper tool or using this plastic tool. This plastic tool I have created from this bottle. The diameter of this tool is 4 centimeter. If you don't have such a bottle, then you can use cardboard paper, easily available at everyone's home. So just use cardboard paper, cut in a rectangular shape and joint with sellotape. Just maintain the diameter of 4. You have to maintain the diameter of this cardboard paper with 4 centimeter. So you can use any one of these. Additionally, we have used this hairpins. So in the previous tutorial, I have uploaded both tutorials. Just check out my channel, Nidhi's Crochet Art. So in that tutorial, I have used 12 pins. But in this one, I am going to use only 8 pins. For making this marigold kind of flower, we have make star round shape, but in this we are going to make like a square shape round. Let's see. So first of all, I'm using the base of this sellotape. Now I'm going to insert 8 pins in this way, like forming this shape. Not in this way, in this way. Now diagonally. Any hairpin you can use, whichever hairpin available at your home, you can use that. And the last one will be over here. See, now in order to secure these pins, if you want to make it permanent tool, then you can apply sellotape over here in order to secure this. But I am not going to apply sellotape. So if you want to make it permanent tool, then just apply sellotape. One more thing, this is the diameter of 8 centimeter. The diameter of this circle is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So first of all, apply the knot like this and insert in any one of this pin. Now skip 3 pins and in straight forward pins we will turn round like this. We are going continue. We are going to work continue 5 rounds each time. Now next we are going to take round, skipping this first one. So in the second pin again 5 rounds. Three, 4 and 5. Okay, so as you can see, I have created the shape of fleurs or cross. Now next we are going to change the color. Here I am using dark green color. Again we will secure this first. Make a knot, insert here, and in front of this pin take a round. Similarly continue this, take 5 rounds, 4 and the 5th round. Now next 5 round will be over here. So just shift the point over here and continue work 5 rounds in this way. Okay, after completing this 5 rounds, next again we are going to make next parrot green color round over here. 3, 4 and 5. Next will be here. So just change the point again, work 5 rounds. So after making this 5 rounds, next we will take this dark green color, make 5 rounds again. So similarly you have to repeat these steps. Now change the point from here. In this way we will continue. So after finishing number of rounds, we will cut both this yarn. Next, okay, now complete this round. Now in the opposite side here, we will insert our yarn and we will take this from here. So just pass from opposite side here to here. And extend this. Okay, so instead of doing that thing, first we will secure this thread and we will use external yarn. Just secure that and insert in the last point. Similarly here also. Insert into the last pin. Okay, now we'll take one thread, pass through this space and again pass from back to front side in this way, and we will make a knot like this. This will be easy compared with the previous one. Again pass from this space. Again we'll make another knot. Now next remaining knot is from here. Pass this yarn and in front of that space make another knot. Now which one is remaining? This one and this one. So again pass this yarn from here and again pass this one from here, and in the back side we'll make a knot at the back side. Just hold this and make a knot the back side. Now remove this. Cut this. Now next we are going to create small flower using this stencil in the same way. So now I am using these two colors. So insert, and we will repeat the same steps as we did in the previous case. So make 4 to 5 rounds, then making plus sign again we'll make 4 next rounds, 4 to 5 rounds, then we'll change the color. Now we'll take this yellow one, insert over here diagonally, and diagonally again we'll make a rounds. So 5 rounds, and again change the point like this. Now after doing that, again we'll change the color and we'll make next 5 rounds. Again change the direction, make 5 rounds, 5 to 6 rounds or 4 to 5 rounds. Now again next take yellow one, and alternatively we have to do this according to the number of layers you want. So after finishing this, we will cut both of this yarn and we'll secure this. From the back side. So insert this yarn from this space, again this one from here, from back side we can secure this. Okay, after securing this, next we will take this much yarn. Before that, we will cut this extra yarn. Okay, now diagonally we will secure this. So we'll insert from this point, from this space, and in the opposite direction okay, in this way, like in this way, you can see. Just secure this. Again, this two we have secured. Now next is insert from here and diagonally secure this too. So again we will make a knot. So from each of this 4 space you have to secure this. Again, which one is remaining? This one. So insert here and diagonally again insert over here. So now simply we are just separating each of this petals layer. Okay, this one is also done, this one is also done, this one is also done. Only this one is remaining. Okay, so we have covered all these layers. Now just secure this and remove these pins. We will combine these 2 flowers. So back side I have passed these 2 threads from these 2 parrot green color petals and have secured this. So this is the front side. You can use this flower leaf combination for various purpose, like for hairpin, for decoration purpose, for making toran, door hanging, for wall decoration. Or you can also stick such stone in the center, and if you don't want, then just combine this all petals like this and it will form a marigold kind of flower. So thank you so much friends. Enjoy, try this and have a nice day.